think I just made my decision. Woo! Come on out. Pancakes and bacon this Saturday morning, y'all. Looks like we're gonna have a pretty one.
My footsies and my boot boot.
That's a good song.
Yeah.
Come on out. Y'all, one day, I'm gonna cut that other door over there. Wasn't this a wonderful project?
Yeah.
Things keep going wrong, y'all.
I bought it cheap.
So what are you working on today?
Lights. I searched for days trying to figure out why it was blowing fuses, and I finally found it.
So it was just a little pinch.
It was a little pinch, and it shorted out the whole trailer.
All right, y'all, we got the kitchen cleaned up from breakfast. Let the chickens out, got their feed filled up, got the eggs. Now, me and Cece are coming down here to get our wagon wheels. We're gonna roll them up to the back porch. I'm just gonna put them under the back porch for now, because I don't think I have any sandpaper or anything like that. Well, Titus might have some sandpaper in the shoe and trailer. I'll ask him. If he does, we might go ahead and start sanding them a little bit. We're still trying to decide if we wanna make a brooder box with what's left, or if we just want to use it to decorate, you know, when we build onto the chicken pen. But I want to go ahead and start cleaning up the wheels and the brakes. I mean, look at that. I'm so surprised. Watch this, Sissy.
Okay.
Ooh, see that? Look at me. I'm like Little House on the Prairie. Hold on, let me stop the wagon. Sissy's giving it a try. If we're going to use it as a brooder box, we definitely need to get to work on it quick, because we're going to need the brooder box in just about 4 weeks. But if we're just going to use the parts that we can salvage for decorating the new part of the chicken coop, we have a few weeks on that, because the baby chicks they'll stay in the brooder box for at least a few weeks, so that'll give us time to, you know, add on to that and everything. I think we're going to go with whichever one is cheapest. That's what we're going to do. And since we're having to build onto the chicken coop anyway, I'm thinking that's going to be what it is. Even though I would love to make it into a wagon-like brooder box and then use it as a decorative thing, I think it's going to be best just to use the parts to decorate. And like Paula and one of y'all said, I can't remember who the other person was, but I know Paula was one of them, said that it would be neat if we could use the brakes as the door handle. Like somehow work it where that could be what opens the door. So I think that's what we're going to do. We still have to get a bigger brooder box, because the last time we got chicks, we only got like 4 or 5. So we just had that small brooder box. This time we're going to get at least 10. So we're going to have a bigger one. But we can make one of those pretty cheap, and even then use those parts to add on to the chicken coop too. So I think I just made my decision. First things first, we're gonna roll the wheels up to the back porch and at least get them out of the woods down here. This is fun. This is kind of like one of those old-fashioned Little House on the Prairie games too, where you roll the wheel and see who can keep it rolling the longest, you know? On your mark, get set, go. can fit through there, Manny. Can you walk through there? Jump through the hoop. We can put on a circus. Woo! Look, it's the 3-ring circus.
Did you see that?
I saw it. Okay, y'all, lunchtime. We have a little bit of bacon left from breakfast, and we have turkey and cheese. So I'm gonna make some grilled cheeses with bacon, some with turkey, some just grilled cheeses. And that's what's for lunch with some chips. Titus wants turkey. You want turkey instead of bacon?
I'll take some bacon on mine too.
With turkey?
Yeah.
Okay, so he wants to warm the turkey up before he puts it on the sandwich. That way
I'm gonna go
it'll-
cook it just a minute on the Blackstone.
What else can we cook on supper out? I mean, hang on.
Do what now? Hold on, we're speaking a different language here.
What else?
My tree to do with fortune.
What I was trying to say is, what else can we cook for supper on the Blackstone? We already cooked breakfast out here, now we're cooking lunch. What can we make for supper?
These Blackstones out here make some good grilled cheese sandwich. Actually, they make good everything.
We'll warm up the rest of this turkey because the boys want turkey too.
Pop it all on there.
That
The
whole
boys
pack.
are going to town for me at the moment. But that don't mean they ain't coming back and be hungry.
Yeah.
We're gonna feed them chili.
This one right here is yours with this piece of bacon.
You didn't have to put me a piece of bacon on it. You didn't have to do that. But no, that was sweet.
I used the rest of the bacon for those who just wanted cheese and bacon, and that's what was left, so.
Now, would you like to have a little sample of bacon on it? I can see me now going to a restaurant again. Like we go to this restaurant downtown sometime and be like, I'd like to have a grilled cheese if you don't mind. Just a little sample of bacon on it. My wife did that one time and I really enjoyed that. Okay, everybody, now I'm turning this down a little bit, as you'll notice. I'm gonna begin to build my grilled cheese on this sample of bacon. You know what would probably make this better?
Crumble it all over.
Crumble bacon.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
know
you get
what I'm
it everywhere,
saying?
see?
You want a little crumble? You do this, everybody. Just like that.
Oh, what happened? Oh, you got the boys' bottoms. Okay, let me go get the rest of the sandwiches.
You gotta keep a close eye on these things, or it will get away from you. Can't be messing around, that's for sure.
And
this
then
one don't
here's
want
the
top, right?
Yeah, this is the top. How many more do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more. Okay.
I get a little butter everywhere.
You doing your balancing act again? Woo! Why do you want to cut that tree down?
Because I need to cut that thing down.
You don't like the branches?
Yeah.
Have you ever cut a tree down before?
Yeah. I used the stick and cut that thing down. And maybe I need a younger stick.
Okay, y'all, it's supper time. We're ending the Blackstone streak for the day. Tonight we're just gonna have taco salad. So I've got some ground beef in here. I'm just gonna cook this, drain it, and then add some taco seasoning to it. We've got some tortilla chips. I'm gonna slice up some tomatoes, lettuce, and onion. We have cheese dip and salsa. And I was checking to see if I had any more black beans down here. Thought I might open up a can of those, but I don't think I have any. I don't have any taco seasoning packs, so we're just gonna make our own real quick. First, we're gonna put a tablespoon of chili powder in here. Once I get the taco seasoning made, then we'll go ahead and start chopping up the vegetables. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin. A few red pepper flakes. About 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, some dried oregano, about 1/4 teaspoon, teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of salt. That's it. So we've got these mini sweet peppers that I chopped up the other day. Have some bell pepper in here. I'm gonna chop that up. We're gonna chop up some lettuce. Then I have these. These are mostly for me. Titus sometimes eats one. I'm gonna shred mozzarella cheese because I'm out of cheddar, so next week will be a cheese stock up. I need to get an onion and some tomatoes. Oh, all the lights are working? Yeah. It's a miracle. That's a beautiful sight, y'all. It's time for a hat throw and you don't have on your cowboy hat? Woo!